Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to another one of these daily updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto market. I'm going to keep this one this morning very short, I hope. As it's a little later than I usually do it, so I just want to get this done and get this uploaded. So let's get right into it. So Bitcoin, as I was making the video yesterday, we were right up here at these highs, and what was I saying? I was expecting a volatile day, so we had a really nice move down, which has come into our daily support area. So this was a really nice backtest of daily support, not bearish at all. It's just with Coinbase listing yesterday, there would have been this would have been a really crowded area in the market. So it just needed to shake out some people, and we have had a nice bounce and a consolidating here. There's a few potential scenarios that I am looking at the moment. Everything eventually leads up. So I'm still very bullish here. I really don't think we're going to fall back down, and obviously you have to have a plan for that if it were to happen. There are targets in place much lower down, but for now I'm just going to go over what I see as I guess the most likely scenarios. So I am in a long. I was just buying within this. Like, it's just so often that you see big move up, it gets retraced, you consolidate, and then you start moving up again. And it's exactly what we've seen here. You have a big move up. Obviously we have Coinbase hype up here, very overcrowded. Wash out all those over leveraged traders, get out the weak hands and consolidate for a while, and then we can be looking hopefully higher again. So I guess a couple of scenarios which could play out. This is what I would probably favor right now. Whoops, we don't want the expansions on there. Let's go into this. So just very simply, I would be looking at the moment for longs within this area. Your validations to daily, and we're looking back to the highs of this range. Very, very simple chart. At the moment, we are clearly getting a rejection off of this new daily that has formed. So this is the highest. This is our all-time high daily. So let's go here. This is resistance. So you can see it tested that level, got a rejection, and we're coming back down now. This also would have been our golden pocket here. So you have confluence in this area. We've got a little high that was put in here. We've got our golden pocket, and we've got our daily level, and now we are seeing a move down. If you add the VWAP onto this, so we do have our weekly VWAP coming in as support. We like these kind of things. You can see a move below as long as it quickly reclaims. That's fine. And on our session VWAP, we have our daily open and our VWAP coming in around here. So I'll be looking at this to be resistance right now. So if this does get a little move up, you can expect that to be an area of resistance. Let's have a look at our fixed range within here. So our point of control, I think at the moment we're looking at just a small move down for now. I think there was enough volatility yesterday that you could look for this area for long positions. Obviously, if that does not happen, then we can start to look at our support a little lower down, which again is a scenario that I would be happy with if it happened. So we have our daily level. We have our golden pocket here. And what we also have would be, if this is doing this, then let's remove these. So we have, let me just quickly, an area of support there. We know the, we can add confluence to this later. There may be a naked point of control or something within this area. I haven't yet checked that. Okay, so we can lose that. Actually, no, what we can also do is look at our extensions here. So we have our 1.272 down here. And if we were to take, say, yeah, what we could get is a little bit of a ABC kind of thing going on. That takes us up into our 6. And we could come down and we could do a 272 down here and then look for higher prices. So this is pretty decent. That would be another area I would say to look for long positions, and that would give us a really nice sweep of this daily level. As long as it reclaims and doesn't hold this as resistance after that, then yeah, I think all is good. So yeah, I think we're going to see a move down. I'd be looking for trades here and trades here. But this trade will be quickly invalidated if we do not reclaim this daily, and if we start to fall back through, like back through our weekly open. And yeah, especially like monthly VWAP or something. If we start coming back down here, then I would then start to get bearish. What I would expect, like if this were to happen, so if we were to come up and then do this, I would expect a really big reaction off of that. So I would expect an immediate buy up of those levels. If that doesn't happen and we were to do something like this, then that looks pretty nasty. So I'd be looking for lower then. And I think at this point you'd be probably just thinking like that's quite a major change in sentiment here. So yes, it could bounce. But I think that then gives us a downtrend, at least for the like medium term. If that was to happen. So yeah, I think I've covered everything, all the basics on Bitcoin for now. Do we have any naked point of controls here? Let's just take this to the 4 hour. Okay, so we got 606.20, 606.20. So again, within this area, we've got 4 hour naked point of control, which is nice. We haven't had anything form within yesterday's move, but I would say on the hourly, there's a few levels here that we could come down to. Different charts are going to show different things. But yeah, that's cool. So yes, a bit of extra confluence in this area here. What would be really nice is if this happens like later in the week or something. Or even like, I don't know, like when's next Monday? Monday dumps. So we could now see this as possibly a range forming. We could come back up, we could test the highs, we could fall back down, and then we fall into our support, and it just becomes another range. And that will line up nicely with our monthly VWAP. So more Confluence. Okay. Yeah, actually, I think that's probably what I would expect right now. Alts seem to be doing really well. Ethereum it seems to be working on decoupling from Bitcoin at the moment, and normally when that happens, it's pretty good for Ethereum and it's pretty good for alts. So, yeah, we could see Bitcoin stay in a range here. Like everyone thought, oh, we've broken out Coinbase IPO, massive thing for Bitcoin, but then the alts start running and Bitcoin just stays in a range. Because a lot of people moved out of altcoins into Bitcoin over the last few days, just expecting like, oh yeah, that's the alt cycle done. So yeah, we might see the opposite thing happen. If a lot of people are selling all their altcoins into Bitcoin, then we're probably going to get Bitcoin ranging and the altcoins doing really well. So Ethereum, very quickly, we are in an area of resistance on Bitcoin. So we do have this. If we put it onto log, then we are right in it. So we're certainly at resistance here. We've got some liquidity up here, which could be taken, and we are coming into an area of interest. So we can say anything up here. Pretty congested. We can probably pull that even down to here. So we've got a zone here. I will make that orange, I guess, maybe, because it is an area of resistance that we have here. So this is working from these highs, this high, these lows, this high, and now we're back here. So it's certainly an area of interest we've got right now. I won't bother finding any more confidence on that. You can just see it just by looking at the charts. It's very clear. So we are through the 1-to-1 extension, but again on log we are still working on this negative 236, and that is from here to here. So that is the negative fib of this move here. Okay, so still working on that on log scale. We have our 1-to-1 of this low to this high to this low. That is coming in right here. We could probably get some extensions off of this as well. Low to high to low. Let's get our 1618. So that is coming in at 26. So yeah, there are levels here. But yeah, Ethereum looks very good. Litecoin hit this take profit area. Let's see if it can come back down to this monthly, hold it as support, and then start to move up high. What's moving? Vet's still going. Wow. Okay. So I think right now we're looking at 337 sats for that. Looks really good. Still looks really good. Yeah, nice. I want to have a very quick look at Link. So Link BTC. Again, working on some resistance here. So we have, zoom in, we have our golden pocket. We hit the 618, we've hit the 66 or the 666, and we have our monthly level up here. So that again is a big take profit. So that has reached target. That was the trade. We've hit target, and I would be looking for a consolidation here. I think it's all-time highs as well on Link. So yeah, at this point, we're probably, what would be really nice is to just consolidate for a bit up here. That will go alongside like Link BTC getting a retracement, a small retracement. See if it can hold like say $38, and then we're looking at $50 really as our like major area. So there's a lot of things lining up at $50. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it there. There's not really anything else I particularly want to look at. XRP, Cardano, BNB, they're all, a lot of the alts are in the same thing now. They're all working on areas of resistance at the moment, but I think they all have higher targets as well. So yeah, it's just another one of those wait and see. If Bitcoin can stay range bound and just hold around these levels, then that's really good. Yeah, if it just hangs around here, it's good for alts. If we can get a long off of this area, so the 62k, 62,200 region, that would be nice. If we do start to drop lower, then I would expect that then to start affecting the altcoins a little bit as well. But yeah, we do have support lower down. So the last thing I'm going to do is, alongside this video every morning, I give a trading update to my Discord group. So the Discord is in the link. The link is in the description below. I will also add it to the comments on this video. So yeah, these are all like really nice levels to be aware of. A lot of these we came through and hit yesterday. So we have our we came through. We hit our naked point of controls. So 62,910 is up here. So these are earlier on in the day. So we came through and we got like a couple of good trades off of those naked point of controls. And yeah, it's just gives you the trends for the day, gives you just important levels to be aware of. We also have a really nice community in here that, yeah, we've got some really cool people giving some really good charts. So yeah, the French bull here with some targets for the upside. Again, like this looks to me like it's going up to that 72k area, which is a big area for me as well. We have a point of control. I think we've lost this now. But yeah, it's just constant updates on the chart from some really good traders. We've got some really good traders in here, and they're always on the ball. So if I'm ever not around, and for yesterday I was out for most of the day. I didn't really want to trade the Coinbase day. I knew it would be volatile. I knew it would be a bit crazy. But yeah, come and take a look. You can also see some funny things like where's it gone? I'm going to scroll up. You can see people making crazy GIFs of me. Yeah. So join our Discord. Link is in the description. Smash up the like, subscribe if you want to. And if you want to be alerted every time I make one of these videos or I go live like every day at the moment. So yeah, come join us. Come say hi. And I will see you all tomorrow for another one of these videos, or later today for a stream. So yeah, thanks and have a great day. Bye.